ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wyld. Today we are talking about something weird in Tallahassee today. So recently I got an email from one of my subscribers, Wolverine, I hope that's the right way to say it. Thank you so much for emailing me about this and making this video possible. First of all, why is there the number 8 where an O should be? Are you trying to say double O or wait Vereen? And where's your partner? Dead P69L. And now that we got all the corniest jokes possible out of the way, it sounds like you were talking about something happening in your local market and you aren't normally a Dasher, but something happened on Doordash. So with that said, we are talking about everything that's being said in this email, how it actually is for Doordash, UberEats, and Grubhub drivers and customers and everything in between. So with that said, let's get started. Hello, I don't normally do Doordash, Instacart, and UberEats mostly. I am having an issue with UberEats, so I logged in for Dash today. Almost all of the orders had extremely high base pay, $12 to $15. I'm wondering if you had heard about this happening anywhere else. Love your content. In terms of high base pay, not really. Usually if there's a high base pay, it's because there's a peak pay going on, or there's just a lot of no-tip customers and a lot of orders getting declined, but even then, not really. And Tallahassee is not exactly the most friendliest market, but this also came through on Thursday, October 3rd, which was not too long after Helene, so maybe there's some other challenges going in that general area, so I don't know if that's part of it. Oh, never mind. They actually said they're suspending operations across Florida and Georgia. Maybe there's just not as much operations in Florida now, so there's just more pay in that general area. I don't know, but I'm curious to see how that's gonna go after Milton. That's first off. Second, let's take a look at the photo you sent me. I feel like I have a lot of questions, mainly on the little Zoom box that I'm seeing on the Instacart side. First of all, if you're not even online for Instacart, and second, why does it look like the inside of a Zoom port case? Like, I feel like I have so many questions here. Who got arrested and why? This is just too funny. I feel like I should stop asking questions before the FBI knocks on my door. Second, we're looking at 2 deliveries completed. DoorDash pay, base pay, $13.50. That's without any sort of peak pay bonuses or anything like that. But that's also with 2 deliveries. That's a stacked order. So I'm not really surprised that it ended up waiting longer. Crafty Crab and Little Caesars are the 2 orders. That just means to me that the orders are from locations that would normally get declined a lot anyway. Yeah, the Little Caesars order had a $5 tip, but I know a lot of people that blacklist Little Caesars. Crafty Crab, it's hit or miss, but overall, $1.19, I would have declined that 1,000 times over. And also, they don't hide base pay, they hide tips. So there wasn't much to hide for that either. But hey, if you keep it up and base pay keeps growing higher, you might actually start getting close to unlocking the next level of rewards at 50%. All right, enough running jokes. Honestly, I think that you're just in a market where there's a lot of declines taking place, and because of that, the base pay is growing in that general area. I don't know. I can't say for sure. The desirability of those orders can be very far down normally, and I'm not surprised that Uber Eats and Instacart are just not following suit in that regard. Anyway, I really don't have much else to say on this. Let me know what you guys think in the comments section. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.